Guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. My name is Jonathan. I moved here with my wife Stephanie and my two sons Eliki and Sebaniah in March of 2020, so last year. We came here to pursue our dreams. We now live in a village in Fiji, and you find me in the laundry room this morning. It is 6 a.m. What I'm going to do today is just take you guys through on the hour, at the top of the hour, through the day. So, just woke up and I'm going to brush my teeth and do a workout, and yeah, got some fun things going on today, so I'll bring you guys along. Thanks so much for joining. Let's do it. So, don't know if I said it already, but it is 6 a.m. here, and we got a bit of a foggy morning. It's actually been dry for the last like 2 or 3 months. No rain at all, and it started raining yesterday like crazy, so yeah, it's gonna be nice for the farm. But yeah, 6 a.m. I definitely slept in, so I'm going to get to a workout. That's how I start every weekdays, with a workout. So usually I'm inspired, or I don't know if you want to say inspired, but usually I just find my ideas from my Instagram feed or from things that I see on social media. So that's probably what we'll do today. So let me take a look at things that I've saved, and I'll see what I want to do. Always try to make sure it's fun, otherwise you don't want to do it. So it always sucks for sure, because you got to be up, number one, and then you got to get into the pain zone so that you actually do something productive with the workout. But let's do it. Alright guys, check in, 7 a.m. You know what happens when you get started late is that you start getting interrupted. Things start getting pushed back, so I had to make some work calls by 7, which is kind of like 3/4 of the way through my workout. And then some of the guys I got just cleaning some area up here, some of the guys that work for me came and had some questions, so yeah, that's the workout for today. Just stretch out and then yeah, go do my devotions. Alright guys, so this is actually going to be harder than I thought, because I can't actually remember if I updated you at 8 a.m. or not, but anyways, it's now 9, and what we're doing right now is we had this shed the blue, or this roof of the shed the blue off of our tool room in Nyasa, and so we're just going to be using it. We just got some bamboo posts, and we are going to be using it to store the yams, because we have a bunch in the tool shed right now. As you can see, it's still unfinished. It's one of those projects like you start and you just got to finish up the final touch-up. So I have like 4 more boards to put on the back here, and then I got to put the shelves inside so we can actually start using it, get all the crap off of the veranda. Anyways, we're gonna build this shed here, this little tiny like storage place, so we can pull all the yam off of the mountain way over there, store it here, and then yeah, start planting it up on the farm, because we're going to actually, instead of selling it, we're going to be replanting like 3 to 4 acres in rows that we make with the tractor. So we're going to test out like large scale mass production type stuff that we'd probably have to export. So we're going to give that a try. So on the agenda this morning is just finish up this little shed. Alright, 10 o'clock. What are you guys doing up here?
He's playing game.
What? Me? Oh. What is this, like Grand Theft Auto? Spider-Man? Cool! So we made the shed, and I realized that it's going to be way too small. One of the guys thought that it'd be a good size, but according to what I heard about the reports of how much yam there is, it wouldn't be big enough. And sure enough, my uncle came to look at it, and he's like, there's no way this thing is big enough. So I'm going to have breakfast now. It's 10 o'clock. Go have breakfast, do a little bit of work, and then we're going to head up to the farm. And then
For the farm?
head up to the farm.
Can you go?
Can you go?
Yeah.
Well, the farm's a long ways away. Yeah, you can go on the horse. We're going to take 2 horses today.
Yeah?
Yeah. You guys want to come? You guys ride 2 horses?
Oh, wait.
Okay, not yet. No, right now. In long time. Wait, after lunch. Okay? Okay. Oh no, I should have told him. Oh shoot. Should have told him. So, 2 o'clock. Yeah, we missed a few hours or a couple hours, but Leaky, where are you going? How are you getting to the farm? Okay, so he's gonna go ahead on the horse. I'm gonna take a walk, and we're gonna start hauling some of this yam back. Hello, Leaky. Okay, have fun. Mother. Good, Leaky? Hey, Mother. Mother. Mother Leaky. You already got kicked in the face once, dude. Keep your distance. Yo, Harley got freaking smoked by that horse when Leaky was trying to get on. One shot, boy. In front, in front. Okay. Yo, Mishi, huh? Huh? Zomba. I thought he was gonna be on the ground, but he was like, ah. You can tell, got him in the jaw. Yeah, it got you. Yeah, silly dog. All right, let's go. Leaky, you made it. One pile over here, one pile up there.
We're going back home.
No, not yet. We go to the top. What do you think? We go to the top? Guys, check it out. What do you think? One small pile of yam. Ooh. 5 kgs.
Daddy,
Oh,
how do you dig?
you just see what's coming out of the ground and you dig it with your hand. You want to see one? Okay. Oh, go see Pugani. He'll show you.
I'm gonna go see one yam.
Okay, go, Leaky.
Hey, dig it. Hey, kana kay? Ako. Ako hilya. Hilya. Hari. Hari. Hey. Hey, Leaky, hilya, hey. Hari. Sao? Hey, tama to. Leaky, sao?
Danny.
Ako. Hey, hey, hey. Salingan mo, salingan mo. Hari. Online, online. Kau kari. Re. Hu. Hu. Lale bu. Apa? Tanira kali kari. Hari.
Tumalalay. Ara.
Tanira hari.
Ano
malu.
Put it in the package here.
Yo, anavan here. Kenro, kakak. Dre, onai kendre nai.
Turo.
Dre.
Danny lamaheli.
Iyo.
Jag picker yam. Det är doing the yam.
Me. Show them. What do you think, Leaky?
Yeah.
What do you think? Oh, hold it up. I see knife. Alright. It's too heavy? You carry it home. What?
I told you. It's in the package.
Yo! Very funny, Leaky. Very funny. Good job. Alright, yeah, pull on it with your hand. Pull on it. Pull on it with both hands. Pull on it. Right. 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 Ricky. Show me. Why? Alright, check in. 1 hour later. I don't know what time it is, but I just hear my alarm going off in my backpack. So, we are just headed back from the farm. Horses are loaded up. We each bringing 1 sack home. Leaky is up there going hard. You know what? It's been a while since I brought him out to this farm because it's about 45-minute walk. And the last time I brought him out, I think he was too small. He couldn't make it. He got tired. But he's loving it. He's definitely gonna be able to make it home. So, okay, I'm gonna put this away because the sack is falling. Like 100 pounds on the shoulders. But feels good. And it's not even that hot out. It's actually nice. It's raining. It's cool. It's cold if you're just standing around, but nice day to haul yam. God is good, baby. Loving it.